Hey everyone, how we doing? Come inside and have a look at my workshop. Hey everyone, so this is where all the magic happens. Hey, so this is Dave, this is my CNC. This is my best employee. Right, let's go to the office and see where everything happens. Hey everyone, right, hope you enjoyed the workshop, hope you liked everything. Now it's the time of the day where I've got to crack on, so get out, I'll see you later. Nice to see you, take care, see you later, bye bye.